What's up, guys? Checking in as Will. Finally got my coilovers for the Genesis. Finally. That thing is no longer going to be monster truck, so there'll be no more jokes about it, Brad. Even though we don't ever see you because y'all don't even know who Brad is. Anyway, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing so we can see what these look like in person, feel what they feel like, and hopefully tomorrow I can get them installed and we can get that car to the ground. So let's open that box. Let's see what we got. A box in a box. That's what I ordered. I ordered a box. Alright. Ooh. 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 Ooh, look at it. Guys, what have I done? These things feel solid. Super solid. Let's get it out of this packaging. I'm going to put you guys down. I can't do this with one hand. Give me 1 second. Oh, man, it's ready to open. Ready to go. It's already open. It's ready to come out. Ooh, wee. Dang. It's like a rose gold. The welts, though. Cannot wait to get these on the car. Oh, man, dude. Very, very well built. These are solid. Let's get another one out. I'll be done with the packaging for now. That's another rear. Ooh, spanners. I believe those are for... I don't know what those are for. No, those are spanners, but I don't know what the knobs are for. Oh, box within a box. Within another box. No, they didn't go that deep. No boxception here. Oh my gosh, it can't be this hard, but it is one-handed. There we go. Jeez. Seems beefy. Carefully make these cuts. Come on. All right, 1 second. Oh, wee. Camber plates. Man. These things are pretty. Part Chop Max. Alright, guys. Next time you see the Genesis, it is going to be about that low life. We'll catch you next one. Until then, GoPro everything. Peace out.